Okay, folks, a long drive that. It is 4 o'clock. Just got set up. We set off at 11 from Northampton, from that marina. We stopped for lunch. I had to stop. I had to pull into a lay-by because the tape that I put on this window here, the tape around the edge were coming off, and I had to pull over and clip it. So I've had a couple of stops. God, I'm sweating. So a long way. I like to. Well, I would never have been able to have done it in one. Now, where are we? Well, first of all, I'm going to give the postcode to John and Edith. Postcode is DT2 8BE, Morton, near Dorchester. And this is the Crossways club site. It's the motorhome, Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Never ever go on a club site because I can't afford them. But we've done this to get near Edith and John. We needed to be down here, and this is the only place I could, that wasn't booked up, that I could get on. Okay, I'm on pitch 27. I've got to go to reception and tell them. And I've got to find out where loos are. 27, I'm looking at the map. Right again, a railway line. Of all the places that I could have chosen. Oh, right, just back. Okay, there's a toilet block there. I'll have a look at that and then show you where reception is and that. Right, I'll turn you around. Yeah, that's where we are. Hello.
Signal, ain't it?
Sorry?
It's such a bad signal.
Is it?
Is it the phone?
I'm just filming.
Oh.
I haven't tried to use phone yet. Is it a lousy signal?
Yeah, it is a bad signal here, yeah.
Oh no, it's not supposed to be. I checked. Oh, that's all I need.
Sometimes if you walk at the front, you can get it.
I'll have to walk around here to get it. I upload video to YouTube every day. Oh, God. Oh, that's good news. No signal. Oh, dearie me. What a country we're in. I suppose it's all these ruddy trees. Trees everywhere. So looks like we've got a toilet block here. Is this the nearest tap? This'll be nearest tap, I should think. Showers only. Showers only. What? Where's the tap? Ah, here. Drinking water, wastewater and chemical waste point. Have you got that? Can you see that? Dustbins. Okay. Mobile Veta. Mobile Veta, that looks fancy. Wow. I've got traffic noise here, and we're backed up against a railway line. God. And can you traffic? There's a road. You can walk to the pub apparently. Just that road. So this is where we came in. And that's reception block there. Hiya. So, Crossways Camp, Motorhome and Camping Club, Caravan Club. We're here for a week, folks.